In attracting a Christ Church graduate, not only are you getting academic excellence, but you're also getting someone with a keen set of morals and a sense of personal integrity and responsibility. I've seen this very thing materialize again through my internship last summer with Elliott Davis, an accounting firm headquartered right here in Greenville. The connections that I've made at Christ Church allowed me to secure that internship as well as a subsequent full-time job offer. I knew from day one that I'd be prepared for the academic intensity of Washington and Lee, even before stepping on campus, because I was able to recognize the strong discipline for studying and time management and utilizing my resources that I gained from Christ Church. So I guess what I'm trying to say through all of this is thank you. On behalf of current students like my younger sister Sarah, who's a senior, a member of the class of 2015, and all other alumni, including myself and my older sister Samantha, your contributions to the annual giving campaign allow Christ Church to get better and better, and allow students like myself to find their interests and passions and really grow into the person that they want to be and were meant to be. So thank you.